what's up guys? Okay, so I'm back with the Atari 600XL, the one that I had the volume issue, that it was very low, okay, that I was restoring. So I got the chip. I ordered about 30 of them online, this little chip right here. So it's not the exact number, but they both are the same chip supposedly. Okay, so this is the chip. Let me show you the chip that I'm going to replace. Okay, again, this is the chip right here. This is the bad chip. So when I turn it on, let's turn it on. See that? You could barely hear anything. Practically not even. Let's put the volume up a little higher. Listen. See how low it sounds when it's booting up? Okay, so that's the issue. So now what I'm gonna do is replace that chip there. Let me unplug the power first before I get shocked here. And I'm going to replace that chip with the new chip over here. So let me put this there. Okay, hopefully this works. Let's try to zoom this bad boy in here. Okay, I also ordered a chip puller because I don't have one, so I've just been basically using like a screwdriver to try to pry them open. Which is not good. But I mean, since this is a small chip, I can probably take it out with this. With that. This is the bad chip. On top of the chip it says CA, I don't have my glasses on, 358C, no, E. CA358E. It's an RCA 323. Okay, so the new one that I'm putting on, this one, I can't even read this, is an LM358P, right? Yeah. Okay, so let me put this one on. Just take that. Should I put it the right way? Okay, it's all in. So let's see if it works. Let's see if that volume, the sound volume goes up. This one. There you go. It works. There's the sound. There it goes. So I'll do it again. Let me zoom out. So that's it. It worked perfect. See, hear that? See, booting up perfectly. So it was the chip, this chip over here. So I put in the new chip and it works perfect. So I'm gonna shut this off. Okay. So on this 600XL, which I totally cleaned out. This was the one that was really atrociously looking, very dirty. So I replaced this chip here, the one that I just did, and I also I used a chip from this 600XL to another to an 800XL, right? But I ended up purchasing the supplemental delay line chip right here, and it works perfect. Okay, so I got about I ordered three of these, and I'm using one, and it's working perfectly. So that's pretty much it. All I gotta do is put this whole thing back together, and I'm pretty much done. I just gotta put it back in the case, and another computer fixed. That's it, pretty much it. That's it. 600 Atari 600XL. I saved it. Another Restored project. So that's it for the video, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next video. Peace out.